When I get asked about what we do as a digital product studio, it's easy to get drawn into talking about our services or the outputs we provide. And whilst that delivery is crucial, a lot of the reasons we get results for our clients comes down to our mindset, and that's ultimately what really matters. That's why when I look at what makes us stand out beyond what we deliver, it always comes back to the team, into what makes us different, because clients are paying for our brainpower. By putting our core traits of understanding, creativity and intelligence at the centre of our work ethos, we achieve a collective mindset that looks at a challenge to find the opportunities others often miss. And we apply these traits to find an advantage that delivers a return on investment. This creates better digital experiences for your users and it ignites business growth.
Our core traits allow us to optimize your product's profitability, customer engagement, and enable scalability across the product development lifecycle. With over 20 years of experience delivering digital projects, we have researched, designed, and built outstanding web and mobile applications to help businesses create better digital products and services faster.
Understanding means asking the right questions and going beyond the brief to help clarify the creative direction. This helps us to choose the right creative approach so the best methods and tools are used to deliver the outputs and results you need through design-driven activities.
Understanding is getting to the root of a problem. We truly understand the challenges we face to produce the best customer experiences, so you will win over your users.
Understanding, so a word that is thrown around a lot, but ultimately what does it mean for Komodo? Well, for us, it's certainly not just taking a brief at face value and going, do you know what, we've got it, we've got you, let's crack on. No, it's much more about an empathetic process and really delving into the detail of you, the detail of your users, and understanding not just the what, but the why.
Creativity means that every project is unique. At Komodo, we do this day in, day out. We use our knowledge to create a truly unique approach to your problem.
Creativity doesn't happen solely in the design phases of a project or with the creative people. The entire team at Komodo, from ops to engineering, from accounts to QA, are well versed in applying creative thinking to deliver the best experiences.
That can actually mean looking for inspiration and creativity from outside of your arena, outside of your market. How have other people approached similar challenges? What creative ways have they come? And then how can we take that to the next level for you?
We're lifelong learners, so we make sure our work doesn't become stale. This means keeping up to date with new technologies and constantly training to deal with problems in new and exciting ways.
The product team loves to figure out exciting solutions to your brief. Throughout the design process, we offer our expertise in workshops or feedback meetings to reach the best version of your digital product.
Intelligence requires using the right tools at the right time. It's about guiding you in a direction that gets the most out of what you invest in the process. We ask ourselves how we've tackled similar problems in the past so we can learn from experience and think about what the best solution is based on the situation.
Our definition process is all about using the right resources at the right time. We pride ourselves on adaptability and quick thinking, which allows us to seamlessly transition and explore alternative approaches or activities during workshop sessions.
So intelligence is not necessarily about being the smartest person in the room, it's actually about creating the best outcomes for your product, your users and your business. Ideally, we spend time researching user needs, investing time in iterative prototyping and making sure that we choose the best technology that offers the most amount of flexibility and maintainability for the end result.
Everybody knows that smarter execution saves time and money. Time is precious and it's our job to allocate your resources and investment intelligently.
Do we sound like the team for you? If you want to work with us or for us, head to our website to get in touch or look at our available vacancies.